A teaspoon of quality probiotic yogurt contains billions of live and active culture that stops bad bacteria, ensures digestive benefits, and most of all, help you live long, provided you eat it often. Every good yogurt is alive. Do you still think you do not need to learn how to make your own yogurt, even if it means making your own at home? Do a rethink. Convert your yogurt making skills into over 100% returns on investment. By giving people what makes them healthy and feel good, you definitely get paid for it. Sure, you've had online courses thrown at you, but none have shown you support on costing, cost cutting, troubleshooting, different yogurt making times, and what to do when a process goes wrong. For short, you do not have a reliable coach. In the Bilicious Yogurt Advance Yogurt making course, you also get to learn how to make crisp granola, coconut chips, material sourcing, foreign flavoring, and packaging. Other costs for 7,000 Naira or $14 now, as it will be 20,000 Naira when the course is launched. This course will be launched in the next 5 days. So what are you waiting for? Order now and let us meet in class.